Hi, my viewers, my subscribers. Welcome back to my channel or my videos. How are you doing today? God is so good. What a great God is He. Still keeping us alive. So many things are happening, but we are here today to give thanks. Okay. Today I'm going to cook some chicken soup. All right. Just watch the process. I'm going to show you my meat as I cook. All right. All right, my viewers and my subscribers, and I must say again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for all of those who subscribe, who share, who love my videos or my cooking. All right, this is my chicken. It's a chicken breast. It doesn't matter. This is what I have, so I'm going to use. And as I say, you use whatever you want to use. All right. And here I have some flour. I'm going to make some dumplings. All right. So I'm just showing you what I am going to cook. Okay. Can you see it properly, guys? Over here, I have a little piece of yellow yam. And you can put any kind of yam you want. And I have turnips. I have a chocho. And I have pumpkin. Also, I have a piece of squash. And these are my Irish potato. All right. So I'm going to get my meat in my pot. The water is boiling. So I'm going to show you. Guys, this is my pot. All right. And I see my meat already been seasoned. All right. The regular seasoning. All right. Okay. So I'm going to put it here and let it boil. So you're going to stay there and boil maybe 15 minutes or half an hour. Okay. So I just season it with the regular seasoning. Maggi seasoning, salt, black pepper, and meat, just a regular meat seasoning I use to season. So that is going to stay there and boil for an half an hour, and then I'm going to peel my foods. And how are you doing today? I hope all is well. Making my flour. Put some salt in it. Get my water. So I'm going to make my flour. And you remember, guys, you have to wash your hands. You have to wash your hands as often as possible. But my sink is on the other side. You see? I'm not going to make a lot of food today, so just a little bit of flour. You can see. Okay. So my meat is cooking, guys. So I'm going to start peeling my food. And tell me where you're watching me from, and do you ever eat chicken soup or drink chicken soup? Right? Ever drink chicken soup before? Just let me know. And what country are you watching me from? Okay, guys. So I'm just peeling my food. When I'm cooking like the chocho, this is a chocho, I just cook it in half, cut it in half. But when I'm making my soup, I do it like this. Or you can cut it a bit smaller. Okay? This chocho is hard. They have the younger one, which is better. But this is what I got to buy at the store. So I just peel it like this. So I'm preparing all of these for my soup. So the meat is there cooking. All right, guys. This is a turnip, guys. Have you ever eaten turnip? Just make a comment and let me know. It's very good though. Just make a comment. So I'm going to peel it. Do you have turnip in your countries? Some people don't really know it, but let me know if you know it. Yellow yam. My chicken breast are ready. 3/4 cook. All right. I like when they bone the part of the chicken to cook the soup, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use what I have. So guys, I'm going to put in all of my veggies together, and I just peel the yam, put everything together in it. You can see. That's it. And guys, you do what in whatever way you want to do it. Maybe this pot is too small, but I'm going to change the pot if it's too small, guys. I'm going to let them stay there, and you can see pot is too small. So I'm going to change it to a bigger pot. Right? You can see it's going to stay there and boil. So guys, I'm making the dumplings now. And I use brown flour. Okay, this is how I make my dumpling. Very small, okay? Because it is soup. I just make them small. As a matter of fact, I don't like big dumplings. I just like them when they are very small. Okay, this is my dumpling. This is how I make my dumpling. Guys, I have to change my pot. It was too small. All right, and I'm putting my dumplings now. And guys, you put in your food, whatever you want. You don't have to wait until your veg is boiled out. You can just put it in whatever time you want, and everything can cook together. Especially if you're a working person, you don't have much time, you can do it that way. So my pumpkin don't start to mash out as yet, but as you see, it will take time and mash out. Soon and very soon, you're going to see my soup turn into yellow. All right, guys, and as I say, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And all of you guys from Chowtal Pass, right? Over Chowtal Road, Jamaica in Clarendon. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for subscribing. All of you guys, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. All right? Big up yourself and all those others. Tell others about my cooking channel. Just let them cook. Watch me cooking. All right? So follow the procedures as I go. I'm going to get my season ready. So this is going to stay there and cook, and then I get my season ready. All right? See here, guys, it's coming. It's getting its color. The pumpkin is not so bright. A dry pumpkin, but I have to work with it, guys. So watch. See? I cut some very small and some is big. All right, you can see. I'm putting my chicken noodle in it now, right, guys. Okay. I wash it and I can put a little of it there. Yeah. I have a spoon, guys. I just feel to use this one. Okay. So I stay in there. You see my corn. All right, so I gotta stay there, get my season ready. Let me know how you cook yours. All right. I use whatever I have. I don't have the basic as others, but I just use whatever I have. Scallion, sweet pepper. And I put a little margarine in it. Normally I don't really use it, but I put a little to bring up the taste. All right. You can see the pot, guys. And then you season to your own taste. All right. I wanted a red pepper, but there is none. So I use a sweet pepper, scallion, and you sweeten to your taste. Loving up my pot, guys. Share up my pot with somebody else. Come over from some of my pot if you want some. All right, guys, just keep watching. So my viewers, my subscribers, all of those who are watching my channel. This is my finished soup. All right. So I'm going to share out some and let you see. It is not as thick as I wanted it. You can see, not as thick, but that's quite okay, guys. That's quite okay. If you want to make yours thicker, that's okay. You put it all you want it as long as it tastes very, very good. So I'm going to share out some and let you know. Let you see what my soup is all about. And guys, whoever wants soup, you can come over. As long as you drink chicken soup. And you cook whatever part of the chicken you want to cook. Alright? That's quite in order. Alright. My viewers, my subscribers, my family, all of those watching my videos, this is for you. Okay? You can see that's my chicken. I'm going to take out the hot pepper when I'm finished. My corn, my dumpling, my carrot, everything is there, guys. Tasting very good. What do you say about it? Guys, make a comment on my soup. This is my finished product. All right? And it tastes very good. You put whatever you want. It is not salty and it's not too fresh. Okay? And it's not too spicy. But you can make it spicy. You can put more salt in it. Whatever you can. But this is my finished soup. You can see? That's my finished soup. All right, guys. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to have it later on when it's very cool, but it tastes good. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for picking up my channel. Thank you for all of those that make a comment on my channel. So you take care of yourself and big up yourself wherever you are. To all of your members, I love you know good. Not say bad. I love you know good from my heart. Blessing upon your life. Continue. Let us continue to pray and to trust God for His blessings upon our life. Bless up yourself, everybody. All right. See you in my next video.